Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safety and access. Clear ash, confirm 1M clearance, and shut off any main air supplies. Next, inspect the vent path visually, remove nests or debris because blockages reduce draft. Now open the stove flue collar and fit the correct diameter pipe. Make sure ends seat fully. Use the screwdriver to secure the first section and apply exhaust tape at seams to prevent leaks. Once done, leave access for later inspection and prepare to add additional sections. You continue by adding midsections in sequence, sliding each pipe with the male end toward the stove so creosote sheds back, not into joints. Make sure the run keeps a slight rise, roughly 1/4 inch per foot, so smoke travels up. When passing through joists or walls, fit an insulated section or use a stove collar and maintain required clearances. Tighten connections, then seal each joint with high-temperature tape or rope, and a small bead of stove cement for permanent stability. You finish by installing the terminal or cap, ensuring it clears the roofline and has a bird guard. This prevents downdrafts and pests. Then light a small, controlled fire to test draft, observe for smoke backflow, noisy draft, or visible leaks. If you detect poor draft, first recheck joint seals and the overall slope. Make sure the cap isn't obstructed and that the chimney height meets local minimums. If problems persist, clean the run. A quick sweep often restores full draft and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.